There are moments in life that feel too perfect to be random. You bump into a stranger at the exact second you needed help. You think of an old friend, and suddenly they call. You narrowly miss a flight, only to discover something went wrong with that very plane. These moments leave us wondering, are they accidents, or are they whispers of something greater? Carl Jung called it synchronicity, meaningful coincidences that reveal an unseen order, a hidden language of the universe. Science, on the other hand, often calls them probability. Billions of events happen each day. Some will align in strange ways, but when the timing is so precise, so personal, it's hard to dismiss them as pure chance. For centuries, people have believed destiny speaks in signs. Ancient seers read omens in the stars. Monks found meaning in symbols, and philosophers believed fate weaves threads between us. Jung suggested that synchronicity is not random at all, but the meeting point between your inner world and the outer one. When something you feel inside lines up with an event outside, it feels like the universe is answering back. Think about it. The book that falls open to the exact page you needed. The lightning that strikes the same man twice. The moment you find yourself at the right place, the right time, with the right person. Are these coincidences? Or are they the hidden structure of destiny reminding us that nothing is random? Scientists argue it's just math. The sheer number of possibilities ensures some events will line up. But that explanation doesn't touch the feeling in your chest when it happens to you, because in that instant it doesn't feel random. It feels personal. It feels guided. Maybe synchronicity is more than chance. Maybe it is destiny's language, written in the moments we're too busy to notice. Coincidences are not accidents. They are invitations. They are reminders that there is a pattern, a design, an invisible thread connecting you to your path. The question is, are you paying attention?